Om Ishvaraya Namaha. My incarnation as Parimalam, which was the divine physical form of Ishvar, was intended to save the human souls of this planet. Though I am a divine incarnation of the Supreme, the purpose of my birth was to fully understand the extent of toxic energy, Kali, and many souls failed to see the divinity within me. Despite this, now having become a soul of a very higher dimension, I would shower my grace upon even those who fail to worship me. Grace is pure magnetic energy. I understood the mechanics of magneto-electric energies since I functioned as a guru. Mankind fails to realize the truth of divinity since they are completely immersed in the illusory world of Maya. The basic foundation of life is the body. The functional energy for the body is received from the heat molecule called the single atom which resides inside the pineal gland. I am trying to establish a very important truth. It is the life force, also called the existential being or the vital energy, which is the basis of human functioning. It is the heat energy, which is also called as the life force or the existential being. So the ultimate state of truth is that the single atom within your pineal gland is called as the life energy or the existential force, which is the vital being within you. The single atom called as the life force is made up of heat molecules and functions with the help of the air molecules. Life energy is a mixture of heat and pure oxygenated air. The life energy within everyone is a powerful state of light and heat energy. My complete blessings to all the souls who rejoice in the blossoming of this new year. I understood that the single atom, also called as the life energy, is the basis of all functioning. Through my many births, I deeply investigated into the nature of the single atom within the pineal gland and completely understood its nature. It is the single atom which remains unchanged across ages. The most important organ which helps in the functioning of the body is the single atom. The pituitary gland within the brain, the 10 circles of atoms surrounding the single atom, and the soul particles imprisoned within the electrons inside the neurons all seek the help of the single atom. I understand it is the single atom which performs the most important function of protecting the body, and hence it's called the life energy. During every age, the potent energy within the soul particles changes. Due to the accumulation of toxins, the nature of atoms in the brain changes. It is the single atom which never changes its nature. It contains no veils or coverings and can travel anywhere. The basis of life is the single atom. To increase the life energy, a pure form of oxygen helps a lot. The air element performs a major role in helping the single atom reach through the regions of the head. The term Vasi refers to the combination of air, prana, and the heat energy. In order to increase the life force, air and heat is essential. Vasi, the Va in Vasi refers to Vayu, the air element, and Si refers to the heat element. The single atom functions with the help of the combination of heat energy and prana, the air element. The letter C in Vasi refers to the life energy called as the single atom. It is the heat energy inside the single atom which gives it the high elated status. The Siddhars referred to the letter C in Vasi as the Nayotum Mandiram. It is the single atom which is called as Sivam or life energy. The complete meaning behind all of this has to be investigated. The life energy called the single atom can reside inside the body or along with the soul in the light bridge. Since there is no external coat or covering on the single atom, it cannot reside alone. Divine beings are bestowed with a special state because they can take apart their single atom and make it function independently. It is only possible by divine beings to retain their soul as a celestial star in the cosmos and position their single atom in earth and function through it. I too had performed many tasks only with the help of the single atom. Even right at this moment, I function only through the single atom, the life energy within me. Sitting on the divine pedestal, I try to provide the complete energy of my single atom. Mankind in this Kali Yuga must understand this truth and humbly worship the life energy or the single atom within them. The single atom, which is boundless energy, can alone be the reason behind all functions, and knowing this truth, act accordingly. It is my life energy which will hasten the work of every liberated soul. Many blessings to all.